Hello, and welcome to this quick introduction to transformative agreements with Cambridge University Press. In this clip, we'll briefly cover the second part of the open access publishing workflow, post-submission. Now, in our last video, we left off at the point of submitting your manuscript. Here, we're going to cover what happens after you submit. Once your manuscript has been submitted, it's then screened by that journal's editor. The editor makes sure that the submission fits within the scope of the journal. If it's out of scope, it's possible to receive what's called a desk rejection at this stage. From there, we're going to get into the peer review portion, which we'll talk about more in the next slide. So the editor then looks at the reviewer's notes and makes sure to either reject, accept without changes, or, more likely, to send it back to the author for what's called a revise and resubmit. The scale of this revision is going to vary based on the journal and on your particular submission. It could be something minor, like formatting your data or maybe editing the language, or it could be something more significant, so perhaps addressing the underlying structure of your argument, your experiments, or so on. Just to recap those last few steps, the author submits the manuscript for peer review. Some kind of decision is made based on the submission, and then finally, if it's accepted, you'll receive a letter which triggers the next part. At this point, the author will then complete an author publishing agreement. This is the key decision point for the author to make their article open access. There will be a link in the acceptance email that allows them to connect to the journal information page, where the author can select the appropriate form. And then at long last, article publication. If you'd like to learn more about some other aspect of your transformative agreement or open access more generally, check out some of the videos below or reach out to us at academictraining@cambridge.org. Thank you.